Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Needoh cool cat. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the body. On the left side, let's draw a curve down and in. Then for the top, let's draw a long curve up and over to the right side. And then for the bottom, let's curve it in, stopping here. Now before we continue the body, let's add the first leg. Let's add a curve down. And close it off with a bump up on top. Now we can finish off the body by curving it down on the right side and back in. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's add the other feet with a curve out on the left and one more on the back right. Next, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Inside on the left, let's draw a V-shaped point for the nose. Then a small line down and two curves underneath for the mouth. Now we're going to hop up and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with the curve up on the left. And then on the right, let's draw a longer curve across for the other eye. And let's thicken both of these lines up. Now let's hop over to the right and we're going to draw 3 angles out for the whiskers. And that's it for the face. Next, let's add the ears. Inside the body, let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And let's do the same thing inside. Now for the other ear, let's hop out on the left and let's draw a curve up and curve it down underneath. And again, let's do the same thing inside. And that's it for the ears. Lastly, on the top right here, let's add a small bump for the tail. And that's it for this Needoh cool cat. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!